Alright, so we're going to be getting ready for some climbing today. So this guy reached out to me. He's got this thing called the RIGBIRD, and I'm hoping that it'll be here today. So let's go out there and check out that mailbox, and let's see if it's out there. Okay, so we had a chance to work with the RIGBIRD today, and we used it in rappelling and ascending. So this is the basic rappel method right here, and it's real simple. It just goes in through the big hole, over one of the horns and down, and this has got plenty of friction for a single person. What I found is if you bring it up and over this way and down around the horn, you get a lot of extra friction, and you can even bring it down into this mode that could be possibly used in a rescue scenario. But it's pretty easy to undo as well. Another way to set up a rappel is in this mode, which is very similar to a carabiner block. If this was a steel carabiner, it would be great for canyoneering. So what happens is the rope goes down here into the RIGBIRD underneath the carabiner. And the nice part is the RIGBIRD is bent slightly, so that it actually puts more torque onto this carabiner and causes more friction. It's a lot smoother because it keeps everything in line. You can just lower down like this. Okay, so to ascend, what you're going to do is set up the RIGBIRD in the plaquette form, and what that means is this rope down here needs to go up and over. Can you see that? Up and over the carabiner. And then if I just pull on this rope here and pull on this rope here, I could ascend. If I had a grab here, like a pressic, then I could set up a 3-to-1, but it looks basically like this, and it's locked off. To keep in mind, this is 10 mil rope, and so the 10 mil rope rides in here just fine. If it was narrower gauge rope, we found that this carabiner can rotate and put us into rappel mode. Okay. So we think the RIGBIRD is really going to have an application in canyoneering. It's steel, and combined with a steel carabiner, I think that this would be a very durable option for exploring the desert. One thing that we didn't touch on is the hooks. The hooks are designed to be able to lower rope down and pick up equipment and drag it back up. We have not tested that yet. This isn't not a paid promotion. We really honestly liked using the device. We would like to say thank you to Dave and RIGBIRD team who sent us the RIGBIRD to try out, and we'll have some future videos where we go more in depth of what the RIGBIRD can do. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love it if you do that, and we'll catch you next time.